What if I told you that actually procrastination is just fear in disguise? Most of us are scared of tackling big tasks because we are afraid of failure, we are afraid of making mistakes, and we are afraid of just not being good enough. In this video, I am going to share with you 6 steps that are going to help you tackle these big, scary tasks that you keep on procrastinating and handle them like a pro. Step 1. Acknowledge the fear. It is very normal. Fear is normal, especially when you're facing something challenging. But instead of avoiding it, you need to acknowledge it. You also need to ask yourself, what is it that I'm afraid of exactly? The more specific you get, the less power the fear has over you. Step 2. Break the big tasks into micro tasks. Okay, you see, when tasks are too big, they feel overwhelming. But once you break them into small tasks, it becomes less intimidating, So it is important for you to ask yourself, what's the smallest step that I can take right now? Start with something so small that it becomes almost impossible for you not to do. Step 3, reframe failure as feedback. You see, failures aren't setbacks, but you need to view it as learning opportunities. Failure is simply feedback of what didn't actually work. This helps you to refrain from the need of being perfect, thus giving yourself an opportunity to grow and to see opportunities for change and opportunities for becoming better. Therefore, create a done is better than perfect mindset, because perfectionism is nothing but procrastination wearing a fancy mask. So instead of aiming for perfectionism, focus on completing the task and ask yourself, how would this task look like once I have completed it, instead of thinking of how would it look like when I've done it perfectly. And that will give you the momentum to look into working towards tasks that are just better done than tasks that are perfect. And to step 5, visualize success and not failure. Spend 2 minutes visualizing the successful outcome of you completing the task. Picture the relief, the pride, and the benefits that you'll experience. This is because visualization helps you to push through fear and get started. And to our final step, step 6, celebrate progress, not just results. Do not just wait for completion for you to feel good. You need to celebrate every small win, every step forward. And this is because acknowledging progress builds a lot of confidence. And remember, we mentioned that action is the one that leads to motivation and not the other way around. So we want to keep ourselves very much motivated through our actions, through the actions that we take, by celebrating the progress, the small wins here and there. So those are to our daily challenge, our challenge of today. Identify 3 big tasks that you've been wanting to work on. Step 2, break them into small, manageable tasks. Step 3, take action. As usual, share your progress in the comment section. Let us know. Let us grow together. Let us share our experiences so that we can get to learn from each other. So tomorrow we are going to look at how we are going to build small habits that will keep us consistent every single day. Remember to check the description box and grab yourself the free tool that I've shared from day 1. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow, day 5. Bye bye.